Did you know that over 145 million Valentine's Day cards are exchanged every year? That makes it the second largest card-giving holiday after Christmas. Before the days of swiping right on dating apps, how did lovers express their feelings? By the 1700s, it became common to send handwritten love notes decorated with lace, ribbons, and poetic verses. These were personal, heartfelt, and full of charm. But the Victorians took things to the next level. With advances in printing technology, mass-produced Valentine's Day cards became all the rage. Victorian Valentine's cards were filled with hidden meanings. Everything from birds to flowers was a secret love code. Doves for loyalty, because they mate for life. Roses for passion, the universal I'm in love flower. Forget-me-nots for please don't ghost me. Children for innocence and pure love, and cupids, because what's romance without a flying baby with a weapon? Many Valentine's cards were even perfumed with floral fragrances for an extra romantic touch. But if you've ever looked at some of these vintage Valentine's cards and thought, wow, this is kind of bizarre, you're not alone. Victorians had a quirky sense of humor. Imagine expecting a romantic Valentine and opening a roast letter instead, saying, "To my Valentine, you are not worth a dime." By the mid-19th century, Vinegar Valentines became a bizarre but hilarious trend. These were sarcastic and mean-spirited Valentine's cards sent to reject unwanted admirers or make fun of bad behavior. Some mocked bad manners, while others outright insulted people's looks or personalities. People sent these anonymously, making them the 19th century equivalent of an anonymous troll comment. Some were so rude that post offices refused to deliver them. Let's give a round of applause to Esther Howland, the Queen of Valentines. Born in 1828 in Massachusetts, she came from a family that owned a stationery business. After seeing pricey English Valentine's cards, she thought, I can do better. She set up an assembly line before Henry Ford and paid women fair wages. By the 1850s, her business made $100,000 a year, about $3 million today. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. If you're a fan of art, history, or creative inspiration, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay in the loop. And if you want to incorporate rare vintage images into your own art projects, check out my digital kits, link in the description. Then came Hallmark. In the early 1900s, Joyce Clyde Hall saw the potential for mass-produced, pre-written greeting cards. This meant you didn't have to be a poet to express your love. Hallmark did it for you. By the 1950s, Hallmark had turned Valentine's Day into a commercial juggernaut. Advertising agencies caught on the trend very quickly. From the 1940s to the 1960s, Valentine's Day advertisements were a mix of sentimentality, humor, and a bit of societal persuasion. They often played on gender roles, with men expected to woo their sweethearts with chocolates, perfumes, and gifts, while women were encouraged to keep their men happy through cooking, fashion, and in some cases, a well-ironed shirt. These ads used bright colors, heart motifs, and emotional appeal, convincing consumers that buying these products was the key to romance. From baking to pajamas, advertisers subtly suggested that romance extended to every aspect of daily life, including car tires. From prison love letters to Victorian lace cards, from sarcastic Vinegar Valentines to World War II love notes, Valentine's Day cards have evolved but always carried the same message. Love in all its forms is worth celebrating. So next time you see a vintage Valentine's card with birds, flowers, or cupids, remember, you're holding a little piece of romantic history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky history. And tell me, what's the weirdest Valentine's card you've ever received? Drop it in the comments.